If you thought Google's Pixel series couldn't surprise you anymore, get ready, because the Pixel 10 Pro XL is here to shake things up in a big way. This isn't just another yearly refresh. It's the kind of upgrade that might make even die-hard Samsung and Apple fans take a second look. From the display to the battery, from the camera to the processor, Google has gone all in to fix the issues Pixel fans have been talking about for years. And trust me, the changes are more exciting than you might expect. While the design language will feel familiar, the real magic lies under the hood. Let's start with the display. A big complaint among Pixel users has been eye strain and headaches caused by screen flicker. Now, the Pixel 10 series comes with a higher PWM frequency to reduce flicker, making it easier on your eyes. Brightness is getting a serious boost. To the base Pixel 10 will now hit 2000 nits, up from 1800 on the Pixel 9, while the Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL will reach an impressive 2215 nits. In short, using your Pixel under direct sunlight will finally be a known issue. The camera department is where Google continues to shine, but this time they're taking it to another level. Every model in the Pixel 10 lineup will support dedicated macro photography, delivering incredibly sharp close-ups. Video quality is also getting a major leap, matching iPhone-level performance thanks to a fully custom Google ISP. No more Samsung image processing. Expect better dynamic range, improved HDR, and more natural tones across your shots. The Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL will keep the same triple camera setup as the Pixel 9 Pro, a 50MP main, a quad-28MP ultra-wide, and a 48MP 5x telephoto, but with new gimbal-level stabilization for buttery smooth footage. If you want the best smartphone camera, this is the one to watch. Battery life is also getting a major bump. Last year's Pixel 9 series already impressed, but now we're looking at nearly 5000 mAh for the Pixel 10, about 4870 mAh for the Pro, and a massive 5200 mAh for the Pro 40, even bigger than the Galaxy S25 Ultras. Charging speeds are improving as well, moving from 27W to 29 West on the Pro and up to 39 West on the Pro XL wireless. Charging jumps from 12 West to 15 West with a new key to standard. Perhaps the most exciting upgrade is under the hood. Google is finally ditching the older Samsung-made chips in favor of TSMC's new Tensor G5, which is designed to deliver both higher performance and cooler operation. This chip brings ray tracing for enhanced graphics and a redesigned vapor chamber for better heat management. Translation: gaming and heavy multitasking should finally feel smooth and stable on a Pixel. When you look at the overall package, upgraded cameras, bigger batteries, faster charging, a much better display, and a cooler, more powerful processor, the Pixel 10 series feels like the biggest leap in years. Sure, Snapdragon 8 Elite or Apple's A18 might still win in raw benchmark numbers, but in real-world use, especially for photography and software experience, the Pixel will be hard to beat. The best part, prices are expected to stay the same, and with Google hinting at launch deals, you might even snag the Pixel 10 Pro XL for under $1,000. So, is the Pixel 10 the flagship that will finally win you over? Share your thoughts below. This launch could be Google's biggest moment yet.